had just cleaned the window, gotta take down the unsightly flypaper, and I'm just rolling up the blinds and laying the garland on the hooks, command hooks from Dollar Tree I got. And it's really hard to lay flat, but I'm trying my best. I'm making it wavy. I'm experimenting. I decided let's wrap it around. I was playing with the tension at the top and I was trying to get the top flat, but I figured let me get some thumbtacks. They kind of work, they kind of don't. There's not a lot of material for the thumbtacks to like hold or wrap around, or to have the material wrap around. I don't know. And then I insert the lily I have at the end. Probably gonna get some more flowers. All right, so I cleaned the blinds. I cleaned above the trim of the window. Uh, Cleaned the window area, period. Oh, actually, it looks a bit taller in here. It feels taller in here. And at first, I thought I recorded it. It looks like maybe I exited out of the program, so it didn't save. That should be a default. Like if you exit by accident, it saves a partial video. So that's not the case. Anyway, I put up the green garland, the 15-foot garland. It's very, well, there's clearly some type of wire in there, but it's very hard to get to lay flat, which works and doesn't work because I put 2 of the hooks. Again, I'm never putting these hooks on walls again. They don't come off. I'll just put thumbtacks. Stick to what I know. I put the hooks on, and I was getting in trouble with the green. I'm like, okay, let me lay it flat. And then I'm like, let me see what it looks like with the silver. Then I had the idea to wrap the silver and the tinsel and the green together. And that kind of gave a look, right? But I wanted it, even though I've been like in my heart hating all of the asymmetric garlands on mantles, I'm like, you know, it kind of works. I kind of have to have it that way because I have a bookshelf on the end of one of the garlands, so I had to have it asymmetric. I didn't want it falling on the bookshelf and then looking cluttered, whatever. So it's asymmetric. I ended up wrapping it around. It still kind of doesn't lay flat. I might hang ornaments on it. I don't know. That might come later on with time, but I'm just gonna flip it around and show you what it's looking like right now. Then it's kind of what it's looking like, right? It does feel. Let me sit down. To me, it does kind of make the room look taller. Now, you know, maybe that's a bit of an inch away, but I'm not sure why this portion isn't laying flat. I would like to lay closer to the trim, so I'm probably gonna adjust that. But yeah, I'm really excited with how this turned out. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. It's looking great, I think. It does make it feel more hearthy, if that makes sense. I don't know. I guess we'll see how long I leave it up. It feels like it frames the window real well. And it at once makes the room feel taller, but also more narrow. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.